Alright, for this first video, we're going to do a stretch with vertex form. So you're going to first call out your vertex. So my vertex is -6, -8. My axis of symmetry is x equals -6 because it comes from the x value of the vertex. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go graph that. 1, 2, 3. Now, I know for a fact that this graph is going to go off, so I'm going to just keep it as is. And then I'm going to plot my vertex. -6, -8. I'm going to label vertex down here. And then you can do one of two things for your y-intercept. You can plug in the value of 0 for x. So you would have 1/2 times 0 plus 6 squared minus 8, which would be 1/2 of 36 minus 8, which should be, half 36 is 18 minus 8, which equals 10. So then my y-intercept is at 0, 10. So that takes it and puts it right here. And if I mirror it, I'd be 2 off and I'd be over here, which going 6 to the right would be -12, 10. And this is my y-intercept. Okay. Move these things. So from here, what you could have also done is your rules, but we're going to do rules in a different video. But here we're going to connect these, and then use the blue. Try to curve it as best you can. I'm not looking for perfect values. That's really bad. And then domain is always going to be all real numbers. Okay. Range is going to be whatever your f of x or y. Okay. And then you're at -8. And so we are equal to, but since it's opening upwards, we're going to go greater than.